There are a lot of websites from where you can get to download YouTube videos and play offline. Not all YouTube videos can be downloaded directly. In this video, I shall show you a simple 5-second trick to download the YouTube videos. Tap on the link above and just add pp before .com and press enter. You shall be redirected to a page where you can download videos of any size or resolution. I shall choose the first one here and click on download. I can see my video being downloaded at the bottom. Wait up for 2 to 3 seconds until the video gets downloaded and stream it offline anytime later.